Let's talk about perpetuities. A perpetuity is a type of annuity with payments that last forever. And if you're not familiar with an annuity, I urge you to go back and watch our annuity video, which I'll link to in the video description. Now, there's two types of perpetuities that we'll cover in this video. The first is a Perpetuity Immediate. The Perpetuity Immediate has payments at the end of the interest crediting period. Now let's walk through the present value of the Perpetuity Immediate. And if you recall in prior finance and interest videos that we have, the interest discounting formula V is 1 over 1 plus I. So if you take a payment and you discount it all the way back to time 0, it's just a factor of V. So if we extend this series out to infinity, we get V plus V squared plus V cubed and so on. If we take the series summation formula and simplify this, we get V over 1 minus V. Now here comes the fun part. In the div formula, we know that 1 minus V is IV. So we could substitute 1 minus V equals IV at the bottom. And when we do that, we are able to cancel the V on the top and the bottom. And we're left with 1 over I. Now if we add in a payment of P each period, our present value of the Perpetuity Immediate is just P, which is the payment, divided by I. That is the present value now of the infinite series of payments. Now let's go to the second type of perpetuity. It's called the Perpetuity Due, and the difference is the payments are at the beginning of the interest crediting period. So let's walk through the proof of the Perpetuity Due present value formula. Since the first payment is at the beginning of the period at time 0, that's 1, so there's no need to discount it back any further. At time 2, we got to discount it back 1 period. So if we extend this series infinitely, it's 1 plus V squared, and so on. If we use our series summation formula, we can simplify this into 1 over 1 minus V. And if you recall from the div formulas, the discount rate is also equal to 1 minus V. So we have the present value as 1 over D. Now, here's what's fun. D also equals I over 1 plus I. Since it's in the denominator, we can take the reciprocal of this and we multiply it by the payment, and we get P times 1 plus I over I as the present value of a perpetuity due. So those are the two types of perpetuities, the proof of the present value formula as well as the present value formula. Now, if you've used our site before, we have 500 plus calculators to work out examples as well as your homework for you. I've got another video about the perpetuity calculator, which I will link to in this video. But just real quick, if you haven't seen that video, you choose your present value, your payment, your interest rate, and immediate or due. You have to pick 2 out of 3 of these. And once you pick it, you click calculate, and it will calculate the present value or the missing item for you. So I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.